All right. I would like to talk about the award. I want to talk about the NUMA award at least to clear up some few things. I knew people were going to complain about me receiving the special recognition award after pulling out from the award. Well, let me tell you, this is one award that I truly deserve. Like, I truly, like, I really deserve this award. I don't really care what people think. And secondly, this award is not being nominated. Like, you're not nominated for it. You just recognize for what you did. I worked so hard to be where I am. I helped a lot of people. I worked in the industry. I've done a lot of great things for the music industry for so many years. I started singing when I was just 13 years old in 2003. So you can imagine how much I've done, things in the industry. There are so many things that I know didn't go well. I know some awards were given to wrong people, like the legendary artist. No, we have Smokey, we have Jerry Okwera, we have Tabnofi, we have BSG, we have John Owera. We have a lot of people. We have a Bold Simple Man. We have all those people who pull out. You don't have to be nominated to be recognized. You don't have to be nominated to be a legendary artist. That is something that actually the committee has to sit down and see who deserves it this year. So the fact that these people gave the award to Jafire, I think maybe Juma gave it out to him out of fear that Kibilori Koma Kibitimu or that, because Jaffa talks a lot. So I'm pretty much sure that that's the reason why he got that award. But one thing I know is that there are so many people who deserved that award of legendary artist, not Jaffa. Jaffa should have gotten breakthrough artist or new song or something like that. This is the water song is just the breakthrough song. I am the one who did Jaffa's first music in 2007. 2007, that's when Jaffa started singing. So this is something totally different. You understand? It is totally different. This is somebody who started singing in 2007 and didn't even finish the song. I had all these projects, like he didn't even finish the songs. He paid for like 3 songs, he finished 1, he didn't come back for the rest. So him achieving legendary artist, that is so wrong. Because first of all, I think for somebody to deserve that award, should have sung for so many, like all the names of the artists that I counted. Those are the people that truly deserve the award. People at least sang for 20 years. Even me, however young I was when I started music, I've already been in the industry for 20 years. 2003, this is 20, that was 2023. So you can tell how I really worked so hard for that. So those who feel so bad that I received the special recognition award, my dear, you're wrong. Sometimes you don't need to fight everything. I just pulled out from the award because I wanted to pave way for other artists, and then I knew definitely that they've always been sitting on my talent. Juma has always been rejecting me from all those things. So by the time that he got embarrassed and recognized my work, I really appreciate that.